Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my bips. My dad yourself for telling a walk one for not to go on, you see me. So let's just kick it off with Dancehall entertainer Flippa Mafia. He say on Monday he withdrew a request to be released from bail. This move comes amid a shake-up of his defense team. Mafia, whose real name is given Andrew Davis, terminated his relationship with the court-appointed attorney. You see what I'm saying? He's now being represented by Philadelphia-based attorney Jason. You know what I mean? Javin describes himself as a civil rights attorney and appeals post-conviction specialist in matters of criminal defense. As you know, Flippa Mafia was out on probation relating to a previous drug conviction when he was arrested upon suspicion of conspiracy to distribute, controlled substances. He got arrested. This man said, boy. They said his homeboys is snitching on him. Yeah, because he got locked up with Damian Jones and about other people. This man said to distribute, cocaine, Mexican ice, methamphetamine and fentanyl. And all four have indicated their intentions to enter plea negotiations. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I want for that to go on, because, the court has given them a July 11th deadline to complete these negotiations, or unless they're going to take it to trial. No. I don't really know what his game plan is, because I thought he was going to accept this plea deal and, try to get a lighter sentence and, hopefully get bail so he can, be free and, chill out with him family before he go do this next bid. But it seems like he might be taking this to trial. I don't think the government is really going to give them any more evidence per se to build a case. You know what I mean? And if they do, boy, that's it for you. You know what I mean? They got him on wiretaps. He's taking pictures of drugs, shipping labels that contain drugs in packages, all of these good stuff that needs, to be presented to the judge to sink you. So I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on. You see me? Okay, people, time for some sad news. Just want to update on the Blake brothers. I don't want to say demise, but them lives was cut short the other night at one party in Connecticut. No, their parents, or I should say mother, is seeking GoFundMe so they can bring the bodies back to Jamaica. You see what I'm saying? The funds is going to go towards the funeral and, the international transportation and all of these sweet stuff. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, the streets is saying that, one of these boys, I guess, must have slapped one jealous man, because, said the woman did a flirt with one of them. You see, man, say, and them did a touch up their body jaw and all of these things, and the man never like it. So, one of the youth, them slap him. You see, man, say, and them run outside, and, the youth, them go beat him up again at them thing there. And that's when the youth, them go to him vehicle and come back with the strap and unalive them. You see, man, say. But the people them is saying that these boys never have nothing to do with that. It was one of their friends in the crew that was the one doing the flirting and the touching their body and all of this stuff. But, well, sad situation, you know what I mean? So, just again, a quick update while I'm going for that to go on, you see me? Don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the zip on the screen. And in the meantime, if I haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, or gossips.